up, YouTube? Listen, I'm riding home from the dealership. Oh my gosh, that wind is blowing. But listen, y'all, a lot has happened since my last video. I'm not gonna lie. Man. And I'm trying to stay in like my comfort zone too, because I'm just like, man, that wind is blowing. Woo! Woo, there's something about this is literally like so freaking crazy. I can't believe it. And I'm trying not to push myself because this is the longest that I'm going to be on the main road. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just staying within my comfort zone for sure. I'm not pushing myself too much, too far, whatever the case may be. But yeah, this is cool for sure. This is cool for sure. And I think I go up there actually. This is literally like that wind blowing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh, that wind just be, ooh. Woo! And my helmet is not closed all the way. So like literally, whew. I didn't want to stop, but my eyes are literally watering, y'all. I changed the mount on my bike. So like I have a chin mount on instead of the typical like wearing it on me and shit. But with this, like, see, people like to go in front of me knowing that I literally have the right of way. Like, hello. But anyways, see, I'm doing a lot better than I anticipated, for sure. Like, this is where, and I'd be forgetting to talk because I'm so focused. Like, I'm really so focused right now. Like, this is the farthest that I've ever ridden my bike before. So I'm just like, I finally pushed myself to get on this road, y'all. I literally did, and I feel so freaking good. I'm making sure, because I have somebody following me. And so I want to make sure that, like I said, I'm not pushing myself to do too much, but still having so much fun. And like, literally, I keep looking back to make sure that like she's following me and shit, but this is so much fun. Like, this is, what time is it? It's 7 o'clock. Slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Bumpy over here. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Woo! Man. I feel so official wearing this gear, but like this is the only time that I felt the need to wear gear, because like this is the longest. I've never been on my bike this long before. Like, what the heck? Oh my gosh, what if y'all can hear me breathing like super heavy? That would be so embarrassing. And I'm so cautious. Like, I can see like what the other person is doing like in front of me and stuff. Oh, that wind hitting. Oh my gosh, like I don't even have any words to say right now. I'm just so happy. Like, I'm so happy with myself and just pushing myself, because it was like, I didn't even catch y'all up. But that's gonna be a separate video. Yeah, that's gonna be a separate video. I think that I need to focus, so I'll let y'all know why I've been off my bike for a little bit, and then, you know, go from there. But I've been off for a little bit. My bike has been at the dealership, so I haven't been riding for a little minute, y'all. My bike was literally getting fixed on, and whoo! But yeah, if y'all would like to know what actually happened to my bike, then I will definitely do a separate video about it, because I cannot focus right now. But I think that I do a lot better than I actually give myself credit for, like, if I'm being completely honest.